Hello students, kindly keep the questions with you. Let us solve the third problem. Students, we have third problem with us. So kindly keep the question with you, which you have a personal copy of yours. This problem has come for 2017 BCom of Bangalore University. The following are the summarized balance sheet of A Company Limited as on 31/12/2005 and 31/12/2006. So we have equity share capital. Last year it's 3 lakh, current year it's 4 lakh. There is an increase of 1 lakh. It's called issue of share, FFS. 10% preference share, last year 80,000, current year 50,000. There is a decrease in preference share, which indicates the preference shares are redeemed. Preference shares are repaid to the extent of 30,000 will come in FFS. CRR, it's called capital redemption reserve. Last year 80,000, current year 50,000. That means there is a decrease in CRR 30,000. So preference shares are redeemed out of this 30,000. I repeat, preference shares are redeemed out of this 30,000. So kindly ignore CRR. Capital reserve, last year we don't have, current year we have 20,000. So this 20,000 is a profit earned. It's a profit earned from sale of land and building as per adjustment number 1. In adjustment number 1, they say that the land is sold in 2006 and the profit is transferred to capital reserve. So how much is a new capital reserve we have got in this 2006 is 20,000. So 20,000 is a profit on sale of land and building. GR, last year 30,000, current year 40,000. There is a 10,000 increase, so it's called GR transfer. So GR transfer is 10,000. It will come in adjusted PL account. Then we have profit and loss account balance of last year 26,000, current year 35,000. So it will come in adjusted PL account. Last year profit 26, current year profit 35. Creditors, bills payable, outstanding expenses, all the three kindly mark as current liability. Proposed dividend, you need to prepare an account because we have adjustment number 4. Kindly look at the book. So we need to prepare proposed dividend account. So we have an adjustment related to dividend in number 4. So it will not be treated as current liability. Instead, you need to prepare an account. Provision for tax will be treated as current liability because we don't have any adjustment. No adjustment, treat as current liability. If there is adjustment, prepare the account. Asset side, we have goodwill, last year 60,000, current year 55,000. Goodwill is reduced by 5,000, which indicates goodwill written off will come in adjusted PL account. Land and building, you need to prepare an account because we have adjustment number 1. Plant and machinery, we need to prepare account because we have adjustment number 2 and 3. So land and building account has to be prepared. Plant and machinery account has to be prepared because we have an adjustment. Furniture, no adjustment, so no need to prepare any account. But last year it is 15,000, current year it is 12,000, which indicates 3,000 is a depreciation on furniture. It will come in adjusted PL account. Trade investment, last year 12,000, current year 48,000. There is an increase in investment to the extent of 36,000. That is 48,000 minus 12,000. You get 36,000 will be treated as purchase of investment, will come in FFS. Debtor, stock, BR, cash and bank, all these 5 are treated as current liabilities. Sorry students, current assets. Preliminary expenses, last year 15,000, current year 10,000. There is a decrease in preliminary expenses of 5,000. It's called preliminary expenses written off, will come in adjusted PL account. So students, before I can go, an important clarification. Preference share last year 80,000, current year 50,000. That means 30,000 preference share is redeemed, and this 30,000 is redeemed out of CRR. Okay. So next, capital reserve, we have 20,000. It's a profit on sale of land. So now let us look at adjustments. Additional information: a piece of land has been sold in 2006, but how much is sold we don't know. It is sold, but sale value don't know, and the balance has been revalued. Profit on sale of revaluation being transferred to capital reserve. So from this adjustment, what we understand: land is sold, but sale value don't know. Land is sold at a profit, but we know how much is profit. Profit is 20,000, which is available in the balance sheet as capital reserve. So capital reserve, we have 20,000, that is a profit on sale of land. So you can find the sale value with help of land and building account. Depreciation on plant and machinery has been written off 24,000. It will come in adjusted PL account as well as in plant and machinery account, and no depreciation has been charged on land and building. Specifically, they have mentioned that there is no depreciation on land and building. A machinery was sold for 16,000, but WDV is 20,000. That means 20,000 machine is sold for 16,000. So we get a loss of 4,000. I repeat, we get a loss of 4,000. So this loss will come in plant and machinery account as well as adjusted PL account. Loss on sale of machinery 4,000, and no furniture has been sold during the year. So there is a decrease in furniture. It should not be treated as sale. Instead, it should be treated as depreciation as per balance sheet. An interim dividend of 20,000 has been paid in 2006. As I said, proposed dividend will not be treated as current liability. You need to prepare an account. When there is adjustment related to proposed dividend, you need to make an account. 3,000 has been received on dividend as dividend on trade investment. So we have dividend received. So in dividend received, it will come in adjusted PL account because this is a non-business income, and it will come in FFS. As you all are aware, all adjustments has to come at two places. So therefore 3,000 will come in adjusted PL account and it will come in FFS. Prepare a statement of changes in working capital and fund flow statement for the year 2006. So students, there are totally 6 steps you need to follow. First, statement of changes in working capital. Number 2, land and building account. Number 3, plant and machinery account. Number 4, proposed dividend account. Number 5, adjusted PL account. Number 6, fund flow statement. So 6 steps you need to follow to solve this problem. So we have debtors last year 65, current year 45. There is an increase in debtor of 40,000. So increase in current asset will result in increase in working capital. Stock 90,000, 84,000. Decrease in stock will result in decrease in working capital. BR 16,000, 30,000. Increase 14,000. Increase in BR will result in increase in working capital. Cash 13,000 and 20,000. Increase in cash of 7,000. Increase in cash will result in increase in working capital. Bank 15,000, 20,000. Increase of 5,000. Increase in bank will result in increase in working capital. Total current assets of last year 1,99,000 and current year 2,59,000. Creditors last year 30,000, current year 58,000. So creditors, there is a increase in creditors of 28,000. So increase in creditor will result in decrease in working capital. Bills payable last year 12,000, current year 8,000. There is a decrease in BP of 4,000. Decrease in BP will result in increase in working capital. Outstanding expenses last year 6,000, current year 5,000. There is a decrease in outstanding expenses of 1,000. So decrease in outstanding expenses will result in increase in working capital. Provision for tax last year 32,000, current year 36,000. There is an increase in provision for tax to the extent of 4,000. So increase in provision for tax will result in decrease in working capital. So total current liability of last year 80,000, current year 1,07,000. So current asset minus current liability, you get working capital last year 1,19,000, 1,52,000. So compared to last year, there is an increase in working capital of 33,000. So students, second, you need to prepare land and building account because we have adjustment number 1. Bring down the opening balance of land and building and take the capital reserve 20,000. It's a profit on sale of land and building. So we have sold at a profit of 20,000. That 20,000 is transferred to capital reserve, which we found in the balance sheet. Then take down the closing balance. Total the debit side minus 85,000. You get 60,000 as sale of land and building. Third, you need to prepare plant and machinery account because we have adjustment number 2 and 3. Bring down the opening balance of land and building. Then we have 24,000 depreciation in adjustment number 2. In adjustment number 3, we have sale 16,000. Due to that sale, we got a loss of 4,000. That is WDV 20,000 minus 16,000. You get a loss of 4,000. And take down the closing balance of plant and machinery. So total the credit side, because credit side is more, minus 1,20,000. You get 1,49,000 as purchase of plant and machinery. Next, so till now we have done 3 steps. Now fourth step, you need to go for proposed dividend account. So dividend is a liability. So we begin in credit side. Land and building, plant and machinery was an asset. Therefore we started with 2 balance brought down. But proposed dividend is a liability. So we start with by balance brought down. So bring down the opening balance in the credit side. Then in adjustment number 4, we have dividend paid 20,000. When you pay dividend, it's an expense, so it comes in the debit side. So therefore 2 dividend paid given in adjustment number 4. Then take down the closing balance 42,000. Debit side total is more. So 62,000 is a total minus 30,000. You get 32,000. So this is called dividend declared during the current year. So 32,000 is a profit kept aside to pay dividend. So it's called new dividend declared or announced in the current year. Fifth step, students, you need to prepare adjusted PL account. So we have GR transfer as discussed in balance sheet. Goodwill written off, preliminary expenses written off as discussed in balance sheet. Depreciation on plant and machinery given in adjustment number 2. Depreciation on furniture as discussed in the balance sheet. Loss on sale of machinery we have in adjustment number 3. Dividends paid 32,000, that is called dividend declared during the year 32,000, which we found in proposed dividend account. And take current year profit, take last year profit. And adjustment number 5, we have dividend received 3,000. So you get FFO, fund flow from operation 89,000. So fund flow statement, students, sources is called receipts. Application is called payments. Issue of share capital, by issuing share we received 1 lakh. By sale of land and building we received 60,000. We don't have decrease in working capital dash, but we received a dividend 3,000 in adjustment number 5. We don't have any loans raised or borrowed during the current year. FFO 89,000. We received 16,000 from sale of plant and machinery. So all receipts will come in sources side. Payments will come in application side. So redemption of preference share capital is called repayment of preference share capital 30,000. And we have purchased plant and machinery 1,49,000 payment. Increase in working capital 33,000 is called payment because excess working capital will be invested in securities. We have made a payment of dividend 20,000. no loans repayment, no tax paid in our problem, but we have purchase of investment and we made a payment of 36,000 for purchase of investment. So students, any doubts, please contact me. Thank you.